Here we also have various little trinkets, a plate like this one. These are all paintings, and this is a Kuznetsov plate for 80 rubles. This kind of plate costs 960 rubles. Netske, but not the Netske that costs 60 rubles. Here are some bottles. If anyone has Czech ones, feel free to offer them, as they can also be quite interesting. By the way, this little car costs 60 rubles Moskvich, such a numbered one. Again, it will be a bit more expensive there. A Seagull like this costs 100 rubles, by the way. Some of these toy cars are also quite rare, so if you have any, send photos, we'll take a look and maybe buy something. Here we have a Royal Duke's bow tie for 250 rubles. This is Mongolia, 35 rubles, so come visit us in the city of Minsk, Surganova 29.